This is a new girl at the Grapevine Shelter, and I'm really having fun with her today. This is my first time to meet her. She's new at the shelter. She's owner surrendered. She's a year old, female, already spayed. She's a beautiful girl. Very striking markings. She's got one blue eye and one brown eye. She loves to play frisbee. We need to find this girl a home. She's not doing good here at the shelter because she wants something to do. She is bored. So let's share her and see if we can find her the perfect home. She's a lot of fun. Grapevine Shelter's number is 817-410-3370. And their address is 500 Shady Brook, Grapevine, Texas. Abby? Abby?